subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Nokia has announced its new smartphone under G series called Nokia G21 with quite new design. Talking about the specifications, the Nokia G21 supports a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with up to 90Hz adaptive refresh rate, and it has a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Uni-SoC T606 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Nokia G21 features a vertically aligned triple camera setup and a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes one 50MP main camera along with the 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor. At the front, it has 8MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 5050 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support, and it runs on Android 11 out of the box, which is claimed to offer 2 major Android updates and 3-year security patch updates. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also includes dedicated Google Assistant button for better voice control. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.6 by 75.9 by 8.5mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Nokia G21 price has been set at €170, and it will be soon available for purchase in Nordic Blue and Dusk color options. So what do you guys think of this Nokia G21 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.